Okay, so I've had quite a few issues with my gun since I've changed the internals of the gun completely. As you can see, it's a different color. Everything has been changed, and I've had tuning issues that didn't want to eject and so on. I've also closed off my magazine. I kept the look of it, though I like it, and later on, if I still want it, I can just pull that white thing out and then my magazine will be there again. So what we're doing, we're going to just shoot a blank again. I haven't tested it since I've modified it. I've just done the ejector, which is still, I have to glue it on before it will eject. So let's just put this thing on again. We're using a silencer. I've also improved my silencer quite a bit. It does a lot. It helps a lot more now than it used to. And my trigger system is also been taken out, so I can attempt to glue it. To replace it. I've got new parts here. So my ejector isn't quite in there. Still giving me quite a lot of issues because I haven't glued it on. And this thing has to be turned. As you can see, everything's still loose and it can turn when how it wants to. Okay, so just shooting a blank, seeing if it will even go off. I doubt it will, because normally I have to tune it after taking it apart. Also, all this tape that you see on, just holding the thing that's down. I mean, by now I can just do so and pull all the tape off, because I've been gluing it on. That's just to hold it on, and that I'll take off later. So let's just see if it goes off on the first attempt, if I have to tune it, what. So let's see. As you can see, that clearly did not go off. So I do it about 3 times to make sure. There we go, on the second attempt it went off. And as you see, that my extractor isn't on. Well, it's on, but it's not quite functioning because it's not glued in. It just moves out of the way and doesn't eject now. So yeah, but sometimes I get it to eject without gluing it on, like that. So also, one thing you can hopefully notice is my shells are so shiny as hell. I mean, I put them next to each other. Let's just block this out. That's the shiny one. It's still pouring out smoke. Okay, that's the shiny one. That's the normal one. As you can see, huge difference in them. And then I'll just compare them a little more. As you can see, if I just chuck them in there, you can see all the shiny ones. I mean, there's one, there's another 2, and there you can see the difference. Shiny, not shiny. So then all that I use is this nail thing. It's not a file, it's smooth as hell. It's for buffing your nails to make them shiny, and it takes about a minute at max to take one of these shells from this quality to this. I mean, it's huge, the improvement. So yeah, I'm going to just tune my bolt a little bit, fix it up a little, and then if I check the shell I just shot, you can see it's hitting. You can't see. It's hitting a little off center, but that should actually be fine. But I'll just tweak it a little bit, and yeah, it'll be working. So I'm still didn't do anything with the body since, but I'm getting there. I'm also now going to start working on a pistol, which will be up in about 2-3 weeks at max. What I'm doing is just get my collection of some of my shells out there. Another one's here. Sorry about this. That's a thunder hearing. It's quite a big storm here. So what I'm thinking of doing is, these are all powerful loaded bullets that I don't use. I'm thinking of cutting, I have these 2 to 3 bullets. Well, I only have 1 left. I had 15, and I cut some of them down to this. So I'm planning to cut them shorter and use them as a pistol bullet. So yeah, keep your eyes open for that, and yeah, just keep your eyes open and I'll show you it.